Hola y bienvenidos a Módulos uno y 2, Modules 1 and 2. Hopefully by now you've already watched the course tour video that was under Start Here. So if you have not watched that, pause this, go back, watch that, and I will meet you back here. If you already watched that, then welcome to Module 1. So modules 1 and 2 are slightly different than the rest of the modules just because I know that everybody is still getting their textbooks. So the learning materials are going to be a little bit combined for modules 1 and 2 so that you have a little bit more time to get your book. Okay, so every module, it will start with an overview video and then there'll be sections of the materials. So there's things to read, things to watch, and sometimes there's also things to listen to. So under the readings, you will see textbook pages. You'll also see like PowerPoints, articles, websites. Under watch, there's some videos from me, there's some videos from online, and then listening, usually whatever is on the listening is going to be similar to something on the quiz. So again, for modules 1 and 2, it's going to be the same learning materials for both because I know you're still getting your textbooks. For the assignments for modules 1 and 2, for module 1, you actually don't need your textbook to complete any of these assignments, but you must complete these assignments by the due date to establish your attendance in the course. So like I said in that intro video, the module 1 assignments establish that you are in the class, that you've attended the course. If you don't submit those, the registrar will automatically remove you from the course for non-attendance. So these are important. Okay, so the first discussion board, all the discussion boards are in English. This one is just to introduce yourself to your classmates. Make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday and respond to 2 classmates by Sunday. The first speaking assignment is in English. It's just so you can make sure you know how to record with D2L. You want to use the function to record directly into D2L and don't attach a file. So make sure you know how to use that record audio directly through D2L. You also are going to sign the academic integrity policy and submit that. You can either print it, sign it, and take a photo and upload the photo, or you can like e-sign it or just like write in the comments that you are signing it, just something to acknowledge that you've read that. The first quiz it's just about like the course calendar, the assignments. It's just to make sure that you know how to access the quizzes. So it's just going to be things like, how many assignments do we have and things like that. The first homework packet does include things from the textbook, but you can see that it's due September 10th instead of September 3rd like the other things. So the discussion board, the speaking assignment, the policy, and the quiz have to be turned in by September 3rd to establish your attendance in the course. And then the homework packet, it is stuff from the textbook. So as soon as you get the book, start working on that. But if you don't get the book until a couple days later, just make sure you have it before September 10th. Okay, so if we look at module 2, we'll see the same learning materials because again, it's stuff from the book and things, content. And then the module 2 assignments are based on they'll be about the Spanish. So it's going to be the alphabet. It's going to be introducing yourself with your name, saying address, basic things like that. We're just like identifying people's name, address, things like that. The speaking assignment, you're going to answer those questions in Spanish. You're going to say your name and spell your name in Spanish with the Spanish alphabet. And then the quiz will be about that, like those materials, the alphabet, the verb ser, in introducing yourself. Okay. And also remember the homework packet from 1 and 2 are both due September 10th. The quiz, you only have 1 attempt. Once you open it, you must finish it. And there's once the time is up, it stops recording your answers. So make sure you're ready before you open that. The homework packets you can go in and out of throughout the week. So, and it'll take your highest attempt. So the homework packet, again, you can open it multiple times. You can leave it open. You can submit it later. The quizzes, once you open it, you have to finish it and only 1 attempt. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto. Adios.